Another app called Algebra Champ, which works like this. Okay, so here's Algebra Champ. It's available through the App Store and through the self-service kiosk. So we're going to press Start, and you can choose whichever fighter you particularly like. Okay, next. And there's a couple of range of difficulty questions you can set, but let's just stick with number 1 for a moment. This app is helping you learn how to solve equations, algebraic equations. So an equation which has an equal sign, and algebraic because it has an x in it. So here what we're looking at is what plus 4 equals 10? Of course the answer is 6. And you're going to get a range of answers. So let's hit Start. What you can see down the bottom is the 3 values that might solve x. Something plus 14 equals 20. Now, what plus 14 equals 20? 6, so I'm going to click on 6 and get a nice little ding, and away you go, you keep going. Next. And at this stage there's 5 questions, and your job is to get them right, and also you're working on speed as well. So 4 times what equals 42? Well, you can do it 2 ways. You can figure it out by saying 4 times 4 8 is 32, or you can go 4 times 3, and no, that's 12. 4 6 is 24, so it must be 8. So there's a slower method, but it works, and the answer is 8. Next. Okay, what plus 12 is 19? 7. Next. 9. Next. And 5 plus 0. Okay, and what it gives you a few little stats. I got them all right. It took me 57 seconds to complete, and when I click the next button, it shows me where I've come. So you can sort of track your top 3 results. Now, 100% will always get, it's no good doing this in 5 seconds and guessing them all, because then you've got a low percentage. So really, again, whenever you're using these sorts of apps, it's all about using the app to help you learn. So I'm going to go through one more, and I'll do this next one quickly. Oops, no, I don't want to reset the scores. What I do want to do, I'm going to ignore this announcement, but what we're looking at is next. So I'm going to press the next button again, Start. I'm going to choose this guy, Next, and Start. Okay, negative. So I'm just going to race through this one. Next, 4, next, and you can hear the little ding. I want to get it right. 4. Now I'm going to get one wrong here, and I get a little, it stays there. 3 times negative 3 are negative 9. And finally, sorry about the noise, but finally, here's my level 1. I got 80%. It only took me 20 seconds, so click Next, and you see it's not listed in my top couple because I didn't get 100%. If I got 100% but took 60 seconds, it wouldn't appear here either. But if I got 100% and it only took me 55 seconds, this one would disappear, and that one would become third, and I'd have a 55 in the middle there. So again, use this to practice also the different difficulties. So if I click on 2, it becomes a bit more tricky. 3 gets brackets, and 4 gets more brackets. So good application to use to practice your algebra solving skills. Thanks very much.